Well, guys, today we are officially excited. we're officially excited.
A little more upbeat. Well, guys, today we're excited to officially announce our partnership with Legendary Whitetails.
Yeah, I mean, for those of you who don't know us, I mean, we're lifelong hunters. We grew up hunting small game, graduated to big game. Spent a lot of time hunting with family and friends.
And on public land.
And that's why we started this brand, was to relate to hunters, growing and strengthening the hunting community. That's our goal, and we're excited about this relationship and looking forward to what 2018 has to offer.
Yeah, this is something that we've spent a lot of time thinking about in the last few months, and we don't just need clothing to wear during the hunting season. We want something that we can wear during all times of the year. We don't just hunt. We live an outdoor lifestyle like so many of you out there. You know, Legendary is a family-owned business, and it's been that way since it started. They have affordable products for everybody.
We're always out hunting, fishing, scouting, working in the backyard, doing something outdoorsy, and we feel that Legendary's brand and clothing is a perfect fit for us.
Yeah, and their slogan is celebrate the hunt. I mean, that's something that really resonates with us. I mean, we promote the social aspect of hunting. That's very important to us. And moving forward, we're going to be bringing you all kinds of content. Podcasts, Instagram takeover, daily hunts, recipes,
tips and tactics from the field, you name it. We're going to be creating content on the hunting public and right here at Legendary Whitetails. We're going to get things going here in a couple weeks with the shed rally. The Legendary guys are going to come down here to Iowa and try to find some sheds with us on public land. And then this spring, we've got our public land turkey tour where we'll be bringing folks daily updates from the field as we travel state to state hunting public land from south to north.
Yeah, there's going to be lots of cool content for the 2018 season, and we're excited for our partnership with Legendary Whitetails.